Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I have my monthly kit from Sweet Kawaii, and I forgot that she uses these envelopes that are super closey. It's hard to open. The seal is super tight. I ordered the monthly kit, and it's a subscription, so it will come every month. And at this point, I ordered this one to be the regular size. So I'm not sure if I'm going to keep that or if I'm going to ask for the smaller size. But I love the packaging. Thank you for supporting small business. And she has all of her little guys on there. And then I even like these bags. I use them. I try to reuse as much as I can of all of this cuteness. Oh goodness, there's fun. So this is a cute little cactus pen, I'm assuming. Oh, it's super nice. It's like one of the felt tips, like a mini felt tip pen. That's really cute. So this kit is all about succulents. I remember actually seeing this. So she does do a preview, I think, every month of what they have coming for that next month. So that's kind of cool because I did see this kit. And gosh, I don't even remember how much this kit is. I want to say it's $20. I think that's right. I could be wrong. Hold on a second. Let me see. I think I may have written it in my planner, possibly. Let me go to April. $25 for Sweet Kawaii. But look at all you get. And this. So it's super cute. So, and you can also get a 10% off my next order. And this has Kawaii Kit paid the 11th of the month, Kawaii Kit shipped the 15th through the 17th of the month. And then there's all of these fun little extras. And then headers. And all of hers, oh, there's 10 pages because it says succulents 2 of 10. They're vinyl. So if you don't like vinyl stickers, you wouldn't like her stickers, but I love them. I think they're great. You just have to be careful of what pen you use with them. I don't even think that the pen that she gave is one that I would particularly use on this. But like one of the mini fine point Sharpies works, or a ballpoint pen will work sometimes. You just have to test it and see. And there's enough space like on these white spaces that you could test. Like I could even test this one. It's so tight. Oh gosh, I just pulled the whole thing out. Didn't mean to do that. There. Like it writes on it okay, but hold on, let's see. If I don't let it dry, let me make another mark. I don't know why I keep insisting on opening this thing when I'm struggling with it. I'm going to make another mark and see if I let it dry, if it will be okay. So let's see if I see how it smears. And then I just got it wet with my finger and it just kind of came off. So you just have to be careful with that. So I'm going to leave this to the side so I can test it here in a little bit and see if it's still. So these are the checklists. I love all the little succulents. And then these are cute. Free hugs, looking sharp. I love those succulents. Cactus makes perfect. Can't touch this. Super cute. And then she even gives us a whole page of functionals. So there's paydays and laundry, cleaning, sleep in, plan, grocery, and then all the different bills, car bill, mortgage, light bill, gas bill, water bill, phone bill, internet, pencil stuff in, or Happy Meal, and if you had to go to the doctor, appointments or whatever, canceled, rescheduled, not today, Not today, very important, don't forget, don't forget. And then just cute little succulents down there. And then there's 4 Hello Weekend stickers, along with tracker stickers and quarter boxes, and then half boxes. And then, oh my goodness, look at these. How cute are those? It's like a little baby cactus in this little thing, or cacti. Oh my goodness. And then washi tape. Oh, this says succulents bonus 1 of 2, and then succulents bonus 2 of 2. So we really got 12 sheets. That is a lot. I mean, she really does her kits well. I am really pleased with this. So I'm going to check this out. I'm going to see how I like this in my kit. Goodness gracious. I'm really not sure. Like, is this for the entire month? I guess it is. So you could use it on your monthly page. Goodness gracious. It's just adorable. So let me see if this has had some time and it still smears. So yeah, you just have to be careful on what pens you use with these. But I mean, that pen's cute enough that I'll use it on other things just because it's adorable. Yay! I love it. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope that you guys check out Sweet Kawaii. I'm really pleased with her kits. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to use them, and I wish that I hadn't decorated my planner for the whole year, but I'm glad I did. I needed to. There's even a part of me that thinks, well, maybe I'll save, like I'll collect them all, and then I'll use them on next year's planner, and then like just be a year in advance for each one. So I don't know if that's the way I'm going to do it or not, but I really like them, and I know that they will look really cute on my planner. I don't know. I'm going to have to think about it. So, I love them though. So thanks for watching, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.